Hi guys and welcome to App Guru. In this video, I will show you how to create a private story on Snapchat. To start this tutorial, open your Snapchat application in your mobile device. Once you are in Snapchat this time, we are now going to proceed in creating a new post over at Snapchat. Here in your profile, first, let's create a new private story. In here, we are going to see or click on the people who can only see the story over at Snapchat. Give them a check mark. In here, you can now have the option to take a snap. It could be anything that you want. In this example, I'll just take a photo of my keyboard. I love my keyboard. And then, post as is. You can put your captions, anything, and then once done, just click on next. And that's it. Only those people with a check mark can view your private story. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please leave a like, share, and while you're at it, subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment as well.